Power BI works using 3 different views, and each view answers a different question. The report view is where you see charts, tables, and visuals. This is the screen most people recognize because it shows the final result that others will read or present. The data view is where you see the raw data in table form. This view is not for creating visuals, but for checking what data exists, how columns look, and whether values make sense. The model view shows how tables are connected to each other. This is where relationships live, even though no numbers or charts appear. These views are separated on purpose. Power BI wants you to look at results, data, and structure at different moments, so you do not mix presentation with logic. When working in the report view, Power BI shows 3 main panes on the side. The Visualisations pane controls how charts look and which type of visual is used. The Fields pane shows the list of tables and columns available from the data model. The Filters pane controls what data is included or excluded. Each pane has a specific role. Fields provide content. Visualizations decide shape. Filters control scope. When users confuse these panes, they often drag the wrong item to the wrong place and feel lost. Knowing what each pane controls makes report building calmer and more predictable, even for users without technical backgrounds.